Having a stairlift or vertical lift installed is an investment that will make such a difference and transform your life to help you stay in the home that you love. Wondering how do stairlifts and home lifts work and which model should I choose? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Coral and together with my husband Colin, we own First Choice Stairlifts. Between us, we have over 55 years of lift experience, so let us be your guide. As an independent lift company, we sell an extensive range of products, so it doesn't matter what size or shape your stairs are, we can fit on even the most quirky of stairs, often fitting one where others can't. If you prefer, we have a fantastic range of stylish vertical lifts to make travelling between floors even easier, all backed up with outstanding customer service and aftercare. Having a lift fitted can be life-changing, so make that call to us today on 0800 019 2210.